Yes, yes.
Paano niyo po nalaman yung siya?
Personally, nakita ko siya sa news online. Doon ko siya unang nabalitaan, and then, of course, as a concerned citizen, naghanap ako ng resources if totoo ba or no. And as of the moment, since totoo naman, yeah, I think need lang siya pagtuunan ng pansin kasi wala pang hearing na nangyayari about sa impeachment. Though it was already in the Senate, pero hindi pa siya nabibigyan ng parang hearing kung itutuloy ba or no.
Mine naman po, same answer lang. Nakita ko siya online and actually madaming edits online, lalo na sa TikTok. Una, parang fake news, ganun. Parang edits lang. Parang ginagawa pa siyang meme. Pero nung, syempre, nag-deep ako and of course, parang medyo interested talaga ako in politics, lalo na in Philippines. Kasi, syempre, nakasalalay yung parang generation namin and other generation when it comes to that. So, ayun.
Nabanggit mo kanina yung about sa hearing.
Personally, yes, of course. Kasi even me, I am kinda confused kung bakit hindi pa rin nag-start yung hearing. And marami kasing issues like yung confidential funds, meron din yung mga parang, yun nga, nag-aaway sila ng president. So parang hindi okay yung team nila to the first na sila naman talaga unity team. So as of the moment, parang ang daming questions on my mind kung bakit hindi pa tinutuloy yung hearing.
Same as well sa kanya. Parang confused din ako bakit hindi pa tinutuloy yung hearing. And like, yung lalo na yung kumalat nung parang nagmura si VP, Sara. Sobrang naalog yung Pilipinas nun. And syempre nagulat din ako as a Gen Z. Kasi parang bakit ganun? Bakit dadating sa ganong point? And dapat, ayun nga, ma-actionan na siya. Kasi sila yung parang head ng Pilipinas tapos parang at stake yung buong Pilipinas syempre. Hindi nila matutuunan ng pansin yung parang pamumuno nila sa Philippines lalo.
And to add lang, kasi parang si VP Sara, she didn't take seriously yung impeachment. Parang meron pang isang kumalat online na mas masakit pa yung heartbreak kasi sa impeachment, sabi niya. So it's like kinda like funny lang na she's a leader, pero ganun siya sumagot sa mga issues about her. Especially yung position niya na as Vice President yung nakasalalay. So, I really don't know what's going on. Kung seryoso ba siya about being a Vice President or she knows to herself na mali talaga siya. So, I think need na talaga ma-actionance about impeachment.
Lumabas talaga yung
Yes, of course. As a concerned citizen, yes, of course.